Hello and welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video, and in this one we're looking at ragwort. There is some hysteria surrounding ragwort, especially if it occurs in a garden situation such as this. It is no problem to anybody or anything in a garden situation or a roadside verge, hedgerow or field. The only time it is a problem is if it is harvested with grass in a meadow and then fed to horses and possibly cattle, because they can't differentiate it once it's dried up in a bale of hay. When it's standing and growing in a field, horses will graze around it and not touch it, because they can recognize it for what it is, which is toxic to them. So if you have it growing in your garden, let it be. It's a fantastic nectar source for a whole host of insects, and it's the food plant for the cinnabar moth, which are stunning in themselves, and their caterpillars are awesome. So let's get rid of the hysteria around ragwort and allow it to do what it does best, which is feed insects. Okay, that's my rant over. Happy gardening. See you in the next one. Please subscribe.